Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.3 question number 2. Convert each part of the ratio to percentage. Let us convert. Here you see convert each part of the ratio to percentage. Right? That is A is 3 is to 1. A is equal to 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. That means we are given 3 plus 1 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, right? And this one is 3 is to 1. 3 parts means 1, 2, 3. Therefore, write it as 3 by 4 parts. And this one is 1. It is 1 by 4 parts. Right? That means total part is 3 plus 1. Total parts is equal to 3 plus 1. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That is total part is 4. Right? Therefore, you can write the fractional part. Therefore, fractional part is equal to fractional part is equal to 3 by 4 is to 1 by 4. Right? Now you have to find the percentage of parts. Right? Percentage of parts you have to find. Therefore, percentage of parts is equal to percentage of parts is equal to, right, we multiply by 100, that is 3 by 4 into 100% is to 1 by 4 into 100%. Right? Now if you cut it by 4, that is 4 to 8, 4 5 is 20, 25 into 3, that is 75%. 75% is to 1 by 4 into 100, 4 25 is 100, that is 75% is to 25%. That is the ratio. 75% is to 25%. Right? Now this is the percentage of parts. Now question number B. Question number B here is, you see, question number B is B. The ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Therefore, total parts is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5, that is 10. 10. Total part is 10. Therefore, the fractional part is equal to fractional parts is equal to, first one is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is to 3 by 10 is to 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Now we'll find the percentage of parts. Now we'll find the percentage of parts. Percentage of parts is equal to, that is equal to 2 by 10 into 100%. Ratio is 3 by 10 is to 3 by 10 into 100% is to 5 by 10 into 100%. That is, you are getting this 0 and this 0 will cut. 10 into 2, it is 20%. That is 20% is to, this 0 and this 0 will cut, is to 30%. Is to 30% is to 5 by 10. This 0 and this 0 will cut, that is 5 times 50%. Therefore, percentage of parts is 20% is to 30% is to 50%, right? Now we solve question number C. Question number C is, here you see, question number C is 1 is to 4. Question number C is 1 is to 4. Here you see, that is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. Therefore, total parts is equal to 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. Therefore, fractional part is equal to 1 by 5 is to 4 by 5, right? Now we'll find the percentage of parts. Percentage of parts is equal to 1 by 5 into 100% is to 4 by 5 into 100%, right? Now 5 to the 10, this is 0, and here also 5 to the 10, that is 0. That is 1 into 20 is equal to 20%. 20% is to 4 to the 8, 0. 20% is to 80%, right? Now we solve question number D. Question number D is, here you see, question number D is 1 is to 2 is to 5. Let us find question number D. Question number D is, you see, question number D is 1 is to 2 is to 5. Question number D is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 5. Total parts is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 5. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. Therefore, fractional part is equal to fractional parts is equal to is 1, that is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is to 2 by 8 is to, it is 5 by 8, 5 by 8. Therefore, you'll find percentage of parts. Percentage of parts is equal to percentage of parts. Percentage of parts is equal to 1 by 8 into 100% is to 2 by 8 into 100% is to 5 by 8 into 100%, that is equal to 1 by 8 into 100. That is, we are getting, if we cut this one by 2, 2 4 is 8, right? By 2, 2 5 is 10, it is 0. Again by 2, 2 2 is 4, and 225 is 100. 225 is 100. The first one is 25 by 2. If we divide 25 by 2, we are getting 25 divided by 2. Then we are getting 2 1 is 2, 5, 2 2 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, 0.0, 2 5 is 10. Then we are getting 12.5%. Here you are getting 12.5% is to 2 by 8 into 100. 2 by 8 into 100. Let us discard by 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. 0. 2 2 is 4. 2 25. And this 2 will cut. Therefore, you are getting 25%. This is 25%. Is to 5 by 8 into 100. It is divided by 2. That 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. 0. 2 2 is 4. 2 25. Right? 25 into 5 is 125 by 2. Let us divide 125 divided by 2. 125 divided by 2. 125. If we divide it by 2, we are getting 2. It is 2 6 is 12. 2 6 is 12. 5. 2 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 0. 2 5 is 10. That is 62.5%. That is 62.5%. That is, first one is 12.5% is to 25% is to 62.5%. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.